Dajawan Shaham. Alright, good evening everyone. We'd like to welcome you on our first set. Enjoy the rest of the evening with us. And now we're going to give you our first song, something from Lionel Richie. I've been alone with you inside my mind, and in my dreams I kissed your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes see you pass outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes, I can see it in your smile. You're all I've ever wanted, and my arms are open wide. Can't you know just what to say, and you know just what to do, and I want to tell you so much. I love you. I love you too. I love to see the sunlight in your hair and tell you time and time again how much I care. Sometimes something in my heart will overflow. Hello, I just got to let you know. Now I wonder where you are, and I wonder what to do. I get somewhere feeling lonely, or someone loving you. Tell me how in your heart, for I haven't got it. But let me start by saying what I need. 谢谢, thank you so much. And of course, we're gonna give you a rhythm section. Come on, something with our bass player. Come on, we got Brenda. And then on drums, we got Kyle. On keys, we got George. Thank you so much, and I will give you Phoebe.
Alright, that was Thank you so much.
Once again, welcome to each and every one of you.